Looks pretty good. Island over there. About 5 acres. Yes. Yes. Oh, yes. Net. Net. Oh my fucking God! What the fuck? What the fuck? Man, I appreciate you letting me fish out here, but
One of us is.
Here's what your fish did to my poles.
That's just a good reason to buy new fishing poles.
Well, I got the Bass Pro warranty on this one, but I want to keep the reel.
Yeah.
I wonder if I could be like, they took the reel with it. The fish took the reel and broke the rod, so I'd have another reel. I mean, I don't feel bad for Bass Pro. I mean, it's not like they're cheap. And I was embarrassed to use this piece of crap rod, and I wanted to cover up this fluorescent so no one would know I was using a Bass Pro rod.
Yeah, it's like they're kind of embarrassed. Yeah.
Do you want? I have one subscriber. Do you want to say hey to him?
Is it Kate?